this video we will see how to install Jenkins on EC2 instance. So I am already on my EC2 console, and I already connected my Amazon AMI so that we will not waste much time to connect with our EC2 instance. So right now I am in EC2 instance. So initially I will become the super user, so it will not ask any permission, and then I'll check whether Jenkins is already there or not. So systemctl status Jenkins. So you can see Jenkins.service could not found. It means Jenkins is not there. So initially the prerequisite is to install Jenkins. We need Java into our system. So we want to install Java first. So to install Java, we will install using the yum package manager. Install yum install Java star test by. So it will install Java into our machine. So yum, let's talk about yum. Nothing to do, Java is already installed. Alright, so yum is a package manager. Whenever we are trying to deal with install or uninstall any packages or any software into our system, then we are using package manager. So yum is a kind of package manager, and also apt-get is also the package manager which we are using into the Ubuntu machines. So now Java is already installed. So I have already prepared a file in which already commands are mentioned to install Jenkins. So we are completed with Java. Now we to install Jenkins, we will fetch the file. So we will use sudo wget. Wget will do, it will fetch the file from this preferred link. So let's do it. So it means we are downloading the Jenkins, and it is already downloaded. Like it was of small size of 5 MB. Now using the RPM is the package manager made by the Red Hat. So using the RPM we can update, we can verify the package. Also we can install the package. So let's put this command and see. So it is verifying. Now we will install yum install Jenkins. Now we will do yum install Jenkins. Again we are using yum package manager. We are trying to install Jenkins. Yes, we want to install. We will give the permission. It is around of 67 MB. It is downloading. My internet is quite good. Like EC2 instances, internet is quite good. That's why that much fast we have downloaded 67 MB in just a second. Because EC2 instance have around 100 Mbps of speed of internet speed. Also they are charging for the EC2 like internet speed in EC2. So now Jenkins is installed, so we will check. So now we have the Jenkins package into our system. Now we will use systemctl command and start the Jenkins. So systemctl is a command, using that we can start the service, enable the service, and also verify the service, like whether it is there or not. So systemctl start Jenkins. So it started our Jenkins. Now we will use systemctl enable Jenkins. Why we are using enable, guys? Let's like why we are enabling our service. Like whenever we will stop our instance, and or either we will reboot our instance at that time. At that time, when we will restart our instance, then again we need to start our Jenkins. So for that problem we are enabling our service. So either we are rebooting our instance also, it will be in starting form for forever. So let's check whether Jenkins is installed or not. So systemctl status Jenkins. Let's see what is the status. So now it is showing active and running. So Jenkins is installed and it is in running condition as of now in our system. So in this way we can install the Jenkins in our EC2. Guys, to verify whether Jenkins is installed in our machine or not, we can use another method also. Like Jenkins will be enabled on the port 8080 of our machine, so we will take the public IP of this machine and go to the 8080 port number, and let's check whether it is running or not. So you can see guys, we have the Jenkins starting page. So to unlock Jenkins, we will use the administrator password which is presented like in this folder. You can go and take the administrator password and put over here, and you can use your Jenkins. So we have successfully installed Jenkins on the top of EC2 instance. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.